Hello everyone! It's me, Ate Che. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa aking mga followers, friends, relatives, and families. Especially to my husband. And today, gagawa tayo ng steam shrimp or hipon guys. So iba ito siya guys kasi lalagyan natin ang plate ng yung toppings natin. Bihon or noodles guys. So ilagay natin yung hipon. Okay, ito po yung hipon guys. Ayan. Very fresh yan guys, very fresh as in, kasi dito mga hipon dito guys is fresh. Ganyan lang, i-arrange lang natin. Para maganda tingnan. Masarap to guys kasi lagyan natin ng may sausawan mamaya. Kumbaga may sausawan. Gagawa tayo ng sauce nito. My own version lang to guys. Okay. Let's see later guys.